नीलाञ्जन समाभाषं रविपुत्रं यमाग्रजं छायामार्ताण्डसम्भूतं तं नमामि सनीश्वरम्. Namaskar. In continuation of the discussion about Sri Muthuswami Dikshithar's Navagraha Kritis and medical astrology, today I will be discussing about Shani Graha, Saturn, which is part 8 of the discussion episodes. Shani, Saturn, also known as Mandan. The name Mandan means slow moving. Saturn, Shani, is the slowest moving planet, takes about 2.5 years to pass through one Rashi to another. Sometimes it takes more than 2.5 years when it goes retro. It is the second largest Graha after Guru, that is Jupiter. Shani, Saturn, rules two Rashis, Makara, that is Capricorn, and Kumbha, that is Aquarius. Shani's exalt position is in Tula, that is Libra, Rashi, and deblit position is in Mesha Rasi, that is Aries. Shani is known as Lord of Karma and Justice, that is Nyaya. It is one of the malefic Graha group. Saturn, Shani, believed to be the greatest teacher who rewards the righteous acts, following Nyayam and Dharmam, and punishes those who follow the path of evil and betrayal. Shani is primarily Vata and Kapha by nature. This planet takes almost 30 years to make one circle around the sun. Whenever Shani is present in a zodiac sign, that is Rashi, causes problems in life of people who are born in that Rashi. Problems related to relationships, income, career, and many more. It is a planet of obstruction, distress, depression, sorrow, sickness, and difficulties in human life when it is in malefic position. But same time, well-placed Saturn, Shani, gives excellent power, prestige, name and fame. Shani has its own way to balance out happenings of human life. Now let me first discuss about Sade Sati, which is normally people talk about. That is period of 7.5 years, which happens in a person's life twice or thrice in every 30 years. When the first round of Sadesati, that is 7.5, happens, health suffers, confusion and unstable mind. The second round gives problems in profession, family life, financial difficulties, and sickness. For some people, the third round of Sadesati happens and it gives a lot of health related issues, both physical and mental health. However, despite the common belief, Shani is not bad for everyone. If the person have a defined path, follows truth and dharma, Shani period will elevate the life. Now, how to know that Sadesati, that is 7.5 years Shani started for the person? When Shani enters into the Rashi, which is the individual's 12th house Rashi, the period of Sadesati starts. For example, if your Rashi is Simha Rashi, Leo, then when Shani enters Karkataka, that is a Cancer Rashi, the period of Sadesati starts. It will be in that Rashi for 2.5 years. Then it comes into Simha Rashi. Again, in that Rashi, it will be there for 2.5 years. And then it moves to Kanya Rashi, that is Virgo, which is the next Rashi of Simha Rashi. There it stays for 2.5 years. So total combination 7.5 years. Sometimes the duration increases when the Saturn stays longer time in any one of these Rashis. So Shani in your previous Rashi, then your own Nakshatra Rashi, and then the next Rashi to your Rashi, it is the period of Sadesati. Now the next, Ashtama Shani. When Shani passes through the 8th Rashi of your Nakshatra Rashi, it gives effect of Ashtama Shani. This period create problem regarding finance, conflicts with others, health problems, death of some close relative may happen, criticism for your action, frustrations, and many emotional issues. This period is for 2.5 years, sometimes go longer also. Next is Ardhashtama Shani. When Shani Saturn passes through the 4th Rashi of your Nakshatra Rasi, this period happens. This may cause health problem, delay in healing of any chronic diseases, and as the 4th house represents mother and emotions, relationship with maternal relatives and mother suffers. Many Vedic Pandits opine that Shani teaches lessons of life according to our karma and dharma. When one suffers due to any of the Shani period, at the end of the period, Shani blesses the person with positive results. Pushyami, that is Pusham, Anusham, that is Anuradha, and Uttarabhadra, that is Uttartadi nakshatras, come under the lordship of Saturn. Shanivaram, that is Saturday, black till, black color, iron metal, blue sapphire gem, hard work, ayus, that is longevity of life, financial condition, success, name, fame, all are connected to Shani. Kerosene, petrol, coal mine, wood, mustard oil, black pulses, hardware engineers, manufacturing of sanitary ware, steel, iron items, etc. are also connected to Saturn. Now, coming to the body parts which are connected to Shani. Lower body parts, muscles, teeth, nails, legs, feet, nerves, part of excretory system, hair, bones and veins and spinal cord. Here I want to mention Surya, sun, gives brightness to the body. Chandra, moon, gradually extends it to the whole body. Kuja, Mars, drives away filth and dirt in the body. Guru, Jupiter, expands, and Saturn, Shani, blocks the flow of body substance. That's why many people who suffer blockage in that blood system, the circulatory system, also due to the Saturn. Diseases connected to Shani. Diseases connected to Vata, constipation, stroke, deafness, lameness, lethargy, baldness, slow growth, diseases connected to mental health, partial paralysis, diseases connected to glands, feet, knees, stomach and skin, some types of cancers, chronic slow healing diseases, hallucinations, rheumatism, asthma, defective speech, stones in gallbladder, kidneys and urinary bladder, curvatures of spine and fractures, diseases related to bones and skin. Now, coming to Sri Muthuswami Dikshita's composition, he composed Divakara Tanujam in Ragam Yadukula Kamboji. This ragam is Janya ragam of 28th Melakarta ragam Harikamboji. It is Audava Vakra Sampurna Janya ragam. Gandharam and Nishadam Varjam in Arohanam. But Kaisiga Nishada Prayogam is in the Avarohana order. According to the Dikshita school, Arohanam takes Gandharam also. Compositions set in this ragam are normally sung in slow tempo. This also may be a reason for selecting this ragam for Shanigraha. A Shanigraha, which is known as Mandan, moves very slow. In general, this ragam is very popular and has a smoothing effect. Thus, listening to Divakara Tanujam, which is composed in this ragam, provides calming effect to the emotional and mental health as during any of the Shani Graha's malefic impact bound to cause agitation in mind and heart. This ragam also helps in pain management. The Vishesha Prayogas of this ragam Re Magasa Padasapa Sadasani Dapa Magasa has remarkable healing power. Re Magasa works with the lower part of body, making them more active to perform well and healthy. Padasapa and Sadasanidapa Magasa helps in balancing the upper portion of the body, activating the brain cells and master glands. The master glands, that are pituitary and pineal glands, control the activities of other glands and organs. Thus, the whole body system gets strong positive energy to overcome the difficult phase of life. Listening and singing this ragam gives lot of mental peace and shantam. This ragam also provides extra alertness to the mind to take right decisions and overcome confusion. We thank Dr. Meenakshi Ravi for giving us the opportunity to be part of Nada Arogya.
Divakartanujam Shanaishcharam Divakartanujam Shanaishcharam Divakartanujam Shanaishcharam Dhirataram Santatam Chintayeham Divakartanujam Shanaishcharam Dhirataram Santatam Chintayeham Bhamambunidau Nimagna Jananam Bhayankaram Ati Krura Phaladam Bhava Bunidau Nimagna Jananam Bhayankaram Ati Krura Phaladam Bhavanisha Kataksha Patrabhuta Bhakti Matam Atishaya Shubha Phaladam Bhavanisha Kataksha Patrabhuta Bhakti Matam Atishaya Shubha Phaladam Diva शनैश्चरं धीरतरं सन्ततं कालाञ्जन कान्तियुक्त देहं काल सहोदरं काकवाहं कालाञ्जन कान्ति युक्तदेहं काल सहोदरं काकवाहं नीलांशुकपुष्पमालावृतं नीलरत्नभूषण अलङ्कृतं नीलांशुकपुष्पमालावृतं नीलरत्नभूषण अलङ्कृतं मालिनी विनुत गुरुगुह मुदितं मकरकुम्भ राशि नाथं तिलतैल मिश्रितान् दीप प्रियं दया सुधा सागरं निर्भयं कालदण्ड परिपीडित जानुं कामितार्थ फलद कामधेनुं कालचक्रभेद चित्रभानुं कल्पित छाया देवी सूनुं देवा करतनूजं शनैश्चरं धीरतरं सन्ततं चिन्तयन्तु